our partner lending institutions. If you had our guarantee during the pandemic, we should have covered or we could have paid your defaulted accounts. So credit guarantee corporations are still prevalent in many developing countries and in Asian countries. Our counterparts, there are two in Malaysia, I think, in Indonesia, in Taiwan, Japan. In Japan, they do guarantee 100% the loan exposure because the government has a reinsurance facility. So the guarantee corporation there can easily recover whatever they pay as claims. In our case, I think we have so far paid over 3 or 4 billion in claims. Just to clarify our figures now, we have over 240 billion in guarantees outstanding. That's about $4 billion. We have over 250,000 borrowers that we're covering right now. So we have 400 personnel. Our office is along Ayala Avenue. I told the former finance secretary, Secretary Dominguez, that I need an office in Ayala because most of our partners are located in Makati. The big banks, BDO, BPI, Security Bank, RCBC are all in Makati. So BDO has been active in our affordable housing guarantees. BPI on MSMEs and medium cost and housing, Security Bank, and RCBC. The rural banks are active in lending to small farmers. So we provide them 85% guarantee under a special program. And the requirements that the loan must be unsecured. Practically 90% of our guarantees for MSMEs are unsecured credits. Only 10% are secured. But for the bigger ones, and because of its project financing, there is usually some collateral project assets. It's a steel company, it's a hotel project. Normally, the project assets are mortgaged. So our vision, has been stated earlier, is to mobilize private funds to support lending to the high-risk sectors or the priority sectors of the government. Our role is to mitigate the risk in lending to small farmers and micro and small enterprises and low-cost and socialized housing, as well as supporting large enterprises engaged in businesses that are in the priority list of the government. That's basically it. You can call us an insurance company, you can call us collateral. But our business is providing credit guarantees to pay for in case a loan becomes past due for 180 days. The bank or the partner lending institution can file a claim with us. In previous years, there have been issues on some accounts that were not paid because of some documentary requirements, but we've solved that already. For small farmers, our turnaround time in paying claims only 7 days, and we were cited by the Rural Bank of Association of the Philippines for our efficiency in processing their claims. Same with the other types of credit guarantees. I think that's basically bill guarantees is a consolidation of all the guarantee programs of the government. So the Home Guarantee Corporation, the PLXCM, for those who have heard about PLXCM, I think Mr. Ortiz used to be a director. He has left now. Yeah. So and other 3 guarantee programs. So all the guarantee programs now are being managed by Philippine Guarantee Corporation. Thank you. And if you have any questions.